Verifying your bank account on Vinted is an essential step to ensure smooth transactions. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the Vinted app. Launch the Vinted app on your device and log into your account. If you don't have the app, download it from your app store and create an account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your details. Step 3. Access payment settings. In your profile, look for the payment or payment settings option. Click on it to find the section for adding or verifying your bank account information. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm verification. After entering your details, Vinted may require you to confirm your bank account through a verification process, which could include a small test deposit. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be verified on Vinted, allowing you to make transactions smoothly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Vinted's customer support for assistance.